Hey Larabase users, today we will see the how the users management system works. So in front of you currently I am seeing the user management system for the subscribers who will use your app as a subscriber. So basically we have currently four or five options here. First of all, you can create a new user. Second one, you can see any existing user in your system. And third one is you can modify any users details like email id, passwords, or their plan or their status. And fourth one is you can delete any user, and you also can suspend any user. Yes, so let's start with the adding a new user. We'll come here for, then we will write here name like I am adding as a demo user. Then we will use the demo user at the rate gmail.com, and then let's set any random password right now, and let's select any plan. Currently we have only basic plan, so I will assign this user a basic plan, and then just click on the create button. It will create the new user with name of demo user. Okay, so you can see here my user is added with the basic plan. I can change his status by this switch. I will get this notification here. I can enable. I can see their detail. Okay, this name. Okay. The second one is I can modify this user. Like I can change his password, his email ID, or his name. Same, I can delete him, but before deleting, he will ask me I want to show. Let's cancel it first of all. So this is the our user management system. You can explore it.